Hey guys, I'm Bananaman and today we'll show you how to implement a cooldown system for your guns in Unity. So as you can see, I've already got a project. This is a game I've been working on, and let's head on over to the code. So as you can see, I've got a simple shooting script. Well, it's not simple, but it is what it is. This is attached to your player, and now I've got this public void update. And in this void update, it checks for every frame if the left mouse button is being pressed. Please copy this, and what you're gonna want to do now is create a new file. You call this file cooldown.cs, and now you're just gonna want to copy what I'm gonna type up. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to import is, of course, Unity engine. Then, very important, you make it a system.serializable, and now you declare the class. And now what you're gonna want to do is make a serialize field, float cooldown time, then float next shot time, and then you just make a public bool is cooling down. Okay, now that I've typed this up, you're probably gonna know what does what and how this functions. So basically you've got this float cooldown time that we're gonna define in the Unity editor. Then we've just got this next shot time, and this bool is cooling down. It looks, if the time right now is smaller than the next shot time. So basically, if this next shot is in the future, if it is, then it means that, yeah, it's cooling down. You're not gonna be able to shoot. If it's not, then, well, you will be able to shoot. And once you shoot, we're gonna implement it in this shoot script right here. And once you shoot, you're gonna invoke this start cooldown function, which just makes this next shot time the time of the invoke and the cooldown time that you're gonna define. Okay, now that we know how this cooldown script works, let's head on over to the shoot script. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna want to import that script that we just made. And now you're gonna want to go into here, and when the left mouse button or whatever mouse button or button key that you want to shoot with is pressed, you check if cooldown dot is cooling down. If it is, then just return do nothing. And if it's not, then start the cooldown. Yep, so that's it. This is a very simple way of implementing a cooldown, and we can test if it works. Okay, now let's head on over to the Unity editor. Okay guys, so now that the game has loaded, let's see if it works. So I've got my player somewhere over here. There it is. Okay. The script is attached to here. And as you can see, the cooldown time, you can just set it whatever you want. I've set it to 0.1 because of my needs, but you can set it to whatever you want. You can set it to 1 second, 0.5 seconds, basically anything you wish. Okay, but let's go with 1 second, for example. So as you can see, my console says shot, and now you're gonna have to wait 1 second before being able to shoot again. I'm constantly pressing. And as you can see, 1, 1, 1. It takes 1 second to shoot again. So yeah, this was my tutorial, and if you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to join my Discord, link in bio. Bye!